Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get kills inside Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do, on the bottom of the page here, we've got Conquest Heroes, etc. We want to click on the world map. Click onto world map, and now just zoom in or zoom out and look for who you want to attack. So if I want to go ahead and attack anything here, if I want to attack this wolf, I can. Or if I scroll in, there's got cheetahs, buffaloes, etc. All these different animals I can go attack. Or I can get kills for, say, this person here, Lord Synergen. I can go ahead and click on attack. And then from here, it's going to show us our troops and our heroes. Make sure you've got all the slots filled with your hero section. And make sure you've taken your biggest army you can. So you want to have some good strength. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and click on deploy. And then it'll say sending troops from a protection shield would disable it and prevent further shield activation for 30 minutes, and click confirm there. And now I've sent my troops over there to get a kill on that person's township.